What's up guys, it's your girl Maya back on another video, and today I'm going to go to the car wash and clean my car. I really don't know what all I'm gonna do today because I'm lame, but I'm going to the car wash because my car is like dirty and it's been needing like a good vacuum for a while now. But I've been putting it off because it been too it be cold and then it'll rain. And now today is perfect, so I'm finna go vacuum out my car. So guys, I just made it to the car wash, which is crazy because like nobody else is here. Like normally the car wash be like full with people washing their cars on a day like this, but nobody else here, so I'm gonna clean my car. I know I said I was gonna vacuum it first, but I'm gonna do that second because I need to like wash it, because like if you can see all this stuff on the window, that's like all on the outside. It's bad. First, I'm gonna use this brush for my car. They should hire me to do this for people. So guys, I just found something so crazy. It's a nail like literally under my hood in my car. One, I don't know how it got there. Two, I don't even know why it's there. But I'm almost done with the bubbles. Next, I'm gonna have to wash. So guys, now I'm gonna vacuum my car. I'm just trying to place the camera somewhere. So wait. I highly recommend this stuff to put on your floor. I just ran out, but I highly recommend it because it makes your car smell so good.